Hey guys, welcome to another exciting episode. We are going to be looking at how to design this beautiful flyer in photo editor. So let's dive into the video. Quickly, I'm going to hide the design. The image size for this design is 1023 by 1280. I'm going to click on this plus icon, go for a shape. So I'll go to the fill and select the top color to be this. Then button to be the same color. Okay, I'm gonna position it here. Go to the layer side and lock my layer. But then again, click on the plus icon, go for a shape, click on apply. I'm gonna click on this circle here. I'm gonna click on it, then I will increase it. Increase the size and position it here. Alright, click on these three lines and make a duplicate. Bring it down here. Alright, so go to the layer side, then lock your layers. Then again, click on the plus icon, go for a shape. Go to fill. I'm going to change the color to this, then a button color to this again. Press OK, press apply. Okay, yeah, we're gonna position it here. Click on the lines, make a duplicate, increase the size. Okay, position it here, make another duplicate. Alright, make another duplicate. Alright, I'll click on this check mark over here. I'll click on it. Then I'll scroll down. I'll scroll sideways to see cutout. You can see cutouts from here. So I'll click on cutout. Then I'm gonna select this one. So when I select it, I'll tap the area I want it to cut out. I'll select the areas. Okay, so after that, I'll press the check mark again. I'll then click on test/image. Okay, so I'll click on the plus icon. I'm gonna import my images from my gallery. Click on the image icon over here. Then I click on image icon again. Alright, so I'm gonna import all these images at once. Go to the layer side. I'm gonna hide the ones that we are not going to be using for now. Alright, I'm gonna reduce the size. I'm going to reduce the size. Yeah, and I'm gonna position it under this. Then lock my layer. Going to unhide this one, reduce the size, go to the layer side, place it under this, then hide or lock your layer. So I want to unhide this one as well, position it somewhere here, reduce the size, head over to the layer side, under layer as well. Let's reduce the size a bit. Okay, let's lock our layer. Let's unhide this one, reduce the size, go to the layer side. I'm gonna send it back under it like this. Okay, so I'm gonna lock the layer. Alright, so let's unhide the other images as well. Position, reduce the size, then go to the layer side, the background like this. Okay, so we lock our layer as well. Let's unhide this and we're gonna rotate it like this, then increase the size a bit. You're going to position it somewhere here. Okay, I'll click on the pencil icon, select this A here, select it. Okay, I'll click on it. It has enabled some shape. Okay, so I'm gonna select this shape and I'll press apply. The hardness of the shape. Okay, so I'll click on apply. Click on these 3 lines, head over to the blend mode, then I will set it to screen. Click on the 3 lines again, go to opacity, then reduce opacity a bit. Go to the layer side and let's lock our layer. I'm gonna hide this one over here. Okay, I'm going to rotate it a bit. Click on 3 lines, make a duplicate, bring it here, go to the opacity, then we're going to reduce opacity a bit. Select the other one to reduce opacity. Then you lock your layers. Now hide the light effects over here. You send one over here. Click on the 3 lines, go to the blend mode, set it to screen. Okay, let's set it to screen. Then reduce opacity a bit. Okay, make a duplicate, then position it somewhere here. Yeah, so let's lock our layers. Alright, so I will hide this icon, Instagram icon, then reduce the size, and I want to position it here. Okay. Alright, so let's click on the plus icon, go for test. V. Click on apply. Reduce the size. Yeah, so we're going to let's change the font. Yeah, I'm going to use this particular font. Alright, so I'll click on the plus icon again, go for test. I'm going to change the font. I'm going to use this particular font over here. Okay, so I have the text on my clipboard, so I'm going to use it. Okay, click on apply. Okay, position it here. Just want to reduce the size. Okay, click on 3 lines, make a duplicate. Select it and position it here. Click on edit. Go to properties and let's change the color to this. Okay, apply the down color to this. Apply. Click on apply. Alright, so let's give it a background color. Test background color to be this. Apply and apply. Okay, first of all, let me unhide this icon over here, Instagram icon, the core icon. Okay, so let me select the core icon, reduce the size, then I'll position it somewhere here. Alright, so let's reduce the size. You click on these 3 lines, go to move and size. Make sure you position it somewhere here. Okay, so let's select the Instagram icon, then reduce the size as well. Okay, go to the three lines, move and size, position it here. Okay, go to your layer side, you select the histogram icon, reduce the size. Okay, go to the three lines, move and size. Alright, the location icon over here, reduce the size, position it here. Alright, so we lock our layers. Let's unhide this. Click on the pencil icon, then we are going to edit this text. Go to my clipboard, click on this, okay, yeah. I'll then make another duplicate, position it here, click on the pencil icon. I'll just edit this one, go to my clipboard, I'll just paste the location, click on apply. Okay, go to three lines, move and size, then you position it well. Okay, yeah, so let's make a duplicate. Click on the pencil icon. Let's okay, make another duplicate. Click on edit. Alright, yeah, so